Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Kulazi bona umfana
Otherwise. What up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? No, who it is, the non-jack, but different version.
Damn.
Time.
Exact.
Tango. We are here to rock the world. Yes, to rock your strings. I am here with.
Hey guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee. I am sweeter than honey itself, and I'm the hottest bee in the beehive. Thank you. Always, problematic. It is. Baba.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
Are they fine? Hello. I'm Sinovia Messenger with the problematic mom. They only got plenty of igomla.
It's a but it's fine.
Okay.
You good.
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise,
The last episode today, igomla bonanje.
Tim Villa, I did watch the episode. I did see the episode.
Otherwise, we are proudly sponsored by Baza Photography, Nature Plan Water, Forum House Kayakulu, Privileged Lifestyle, Istebe Senjoli, and the Mgotwa Residence. Thank you.
Danko.
Yes, and Jacko Entertainment.
Jacko Entertainment also and Elsa Media.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Life is good.
Land.
Life is good.
Life is sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. How are you? How was the weekend?
Every right, every man.
We were cruising nicely.
I was this are the effects of cruise and nice.
Okay.
The same pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minion.
Hey.
Hey.
Guys, December kalile.
Yeah.
Qalil December.
December.
Qalil.
It's in December the rest of the year.
Yeah.
But iyavakala but that was the festive season. Jonga, like the other day I would bona umnyutata unyuka on a random Tuesday. Drunk as a whatever. Yeah, uyagoduka.
Aba bafikile estratweni every fucking day. Cardboard, plastic, zintoni ziyadanyaza every time. I'm like, good December. Asijajani ngoku.
Lelo buyithatha chomba.
Abesithini? Oh Thixo wami. Oh.
Bakhona bacetheni. Di right.
Hey.
Sicela nje ibjaki. Please, egate. Syllabus yashiya.
Uphinde uyibethe sapha yeah.
Syllabus and into mandi guys about you guys is that anina kata anina njani anina.
Oh.
Siyahamba.
Mna ndinekata nezimbini except ikata kwasijanga so hamba. But ke I shame. No man.
Yeah.
We are still cruising nicely. I'm
Yeah.
okay. How are you? How dare you? How are you today?
Yes.
It's
I even go to how dare you? What the fuck?
When's it doing?
Nah, I did okay. Yo. My weekend was fine. It was kind of boring because wow, not until you know.
I know.
But yeah,
Hey,
it
weekend.
was good.
Every weekend.
Hey, weekend.
Hey, weekend you can go.
Yeah,
Yeah,
weekend.
Mr. J.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Shem, it was fantastic.
Fabulous.
Fantastic. So, starting on Friday. I've been busy.
But since I can do Friday.
I'm
Friday.
not on Friday.
I don't think
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so Friday.
No.
No.
like I can't ndikhumbulayo about this
Friday. Bengabhene off kaloku.
Ne?
Bene off nasemsebenzini ngisebenza relaxing. But yeah man, I was at work. Ekuseni after that ndahamba ndaya King for a photo shoot. Then masengiphanda ndafuna kwenye photo shoot. So I had to rush back to photo shoot. And then that is Friday, and then Saturday ibinamanani, yes.
Yeah.
Meaning say Hemingway's
Yeah.
PNP. So
Oh, yeah.
for a love deal thingy.
like that's a freshest thingy prize.
Yeah.
Very nice. So miss your photo pie.
Yes. So Jengoko, yeah.
And then he was called to another gig while he was in the gig. Of nigga
I
had
know,
to
man.
flash back to Timbaza
To
to
Timbaza,
take Timbaza.
Timbaza.
Pinda King.
Island. And they King.
Dakuti again till 4, and then he left for Island.
Yeah.
How you went, man?
So being waiver technique.
waiver.
Awukube
waiver.
and guess
Akayivanga le weekend.
ayo I got ndiyibuyiseni ayo lento ka I feel like and you know I eventually bende eWalter Sisulu university
uzambona kudimbaza news upostiwe
yes man
mntana msentante emafutheni manje
ndibona wesikend lendukile kepha ndibona senze endlini
uthi Walter Sisulu ngumkhulu wakho yakutshela mngani
so uyangilenduka
Jaga people
as an MC bendi MC kepha so nje ndi MC
ima Thombi man bethe drum roll iqala ukhupha
hey ayo drama abani
ayigqiba kalo
yes
ayo wakhupha zombili xa uyayisheme
kaloku njena
azange
sabona
unbox
andiyenzi into zo unbox but at least I got this cup yes Walter Sisulu it's very nice
Jack ngifuna uphungela phansi
no apha akuseli namaqhama khona ngeyam le cup
akuseli namaqhama
ayisana Thombi
and on that note
namanzi akho
kamanza
besana
amanzi aka nature plan
iwusana
please
sizexakile kuje
sponsor
sponsor divulele sis it's fine aha
bengamela ngiyazibambela
all right
yebo baba
pheza look okay
manzi ka nature plan
thank you
shini ungalunga mosemzini
singalunga
ungalunga unembe
soze ndungi
ngathi unembe
amnezibhede manzi ka nature what nature plan
atheni
otherwise weekend I mean and then Saturday your Sunday because ndinalala East London so Sunday ndabuya ke ngoku hayi ke ayiphinda weekend Sunday and it was planned and unplanned so it was more of a celebration of the huge success okanye yes it's a huge success
it is because
yeah it's an elevation man I feel like we're elevating and all right
okay
all right
asikuboni
Mr. Banban zoom in please
sangotha kakhulu
hayi
yo nakesana
ayinayo hey tata
so yeah so now I have t-shirts check with t-shirts as you can see and asidlali apha pray believe live asidlali
thandaza ukholwe uphile
pray believe live asidlali apha check with entertainment so do contact me mawufuna izikipa yebo
awufuna ova noma ngiqesha bese awuthethe banzenga
sothetha
but ivuma qala uba uzangiqesha
ha kalokuthini
wendiyavuma
yes it's fine
qeshiwe
okay it's okay otherwise enough about me so ibinjalo mabimnandi and stuff and I did watch the last episode ndingo glimpse and glam
and I'm sorry for the the spelling error on that. It's GLIMPSE glimpse as in unkroba uphinde obviously the producer wethu kanga fact check enough with technical team bayela gama libhalwa njani
yes
so yeah okay that's the Miss Ndondoni that's the correction I want to wenzela umuntu angathi it's glimpse no it's glimpse as in unkroba like bonisa uphinde uphume yabo and glam of course because kaloku uphethe glam squad yes so yeah
yes and I felt like because ndibonini kaloku
glam squad kaloku glam squad
it's okay
ngiyapambana kana ngilibelo
uthini chomi une comments
yes I do have comments number one I feel like it's a nice segment. It's a segment.
It's a segment, a new segment.
It's a new
one
segment.
of the new segments of
the podcast. And we're still going
far, far.
Yeah. And also, I just want to hit Uguti. We are approaching good December. And we are looking for your promoters for your podcast. So if you're a promoter and you feel like you are able to we should talk. We should talk.
Text her.
In order for us.
Can you have a page? Culture Convo podcast.
Facebook, but you can go to my inbox at main
Jack. Ikona i-account buko ayiposta isithi ngumain Jack. Text wena.
The nerve, the audacity.
Text wena. I was like, umuntu usebenza account yakho Ubusebenzisa igama lakho aphinda ayuze texter kwalo.
Ani understand. Abantu makathi kabanjani? Abantu makathi kabanjani?
Ithi kanti ngubani wenzela?
I don't know and I cannot care. Akanazo ne followers, akanazo ne friends, no board. And I feel like the inspiration asazi. Probably yes.
Mhlambe chomi you Zothini.
Ukwala nqana balolikho Rose.
Yeah, so you know what, I want to be uJack. I aspire to be uJack.
Yeah.
So my text and when doing main Jack now.
Yeah.
That
I have my son.
It's fine thina sigxeke mntu kaThixo. Makaqhube.
Umuntu bakenzelela afuna uyenza guys. Sikulate ngoku.
Yes. Otherwise Miss B, how has November been treating you?
Yo, turbulent but okay. It's like no, patient yet critical but stable.
Yeah.
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 It's kind of that type of feel, but asimqala ngakahle.
Yeah.
Amadabi.
Yeah.
But still we find a time to just laugh, cry, but still in a positive mindset.
Yes.
Yeah, but we've been trying to keep a positive mindset. Anokhalaza ngemali because imali intandile kule nyanga. Anokhalaza ngemali. Andkhalazi ngemali. So ndiyavuya. I just wish I could get more gigs, more hairstyling gigs, whatever, guys. I said I'm very good with my hands. Not that.
And some
kind of way.
Ooh, Nate.
Hey, Nina.
Yo, better
Peppa Pig, please. Usipida apa. Hi, Bo. Hey. So I'm very good. I'm very skilled. Yeah, well, like I can take pictures. I do hair, whatever. Crochet, guys.
Everything.
I'm your girl. Okay, so don't hesitate to.
Ne?
Yeah.
And I was about sad. Yeah, I was about happy.
You will not regret it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
No.
You're not gonna regret
I will make it worth your while. But guys, was that great? Tete. Bochuma.
Jaranat.
Yo, Zotlanya.
Hi. Disandiyekile.
Jaranat.
November. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right. Jam enjoy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, crazy nice.
December
Kumanda.
Good December
Imali lenyanga.
Kumanda emhlabeni.
Aka cruise.
Life is sweet.
Sweeter than honey itself.
Omo, life is sweet oh.
Indian Omo.
Omo is
Ofana
like
no.
child. It's like saying sana.
Jonga.
Oh, sure.
Omo, life is sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, according to Shem so far, according to
Yeah, everything is
Zinjilo
flow.
nembabo.
Here, that's exactly the ngoma ithi. Silina bantu.
Kodwa sozicula ngolahla wona nina.
No.
Hey,
Ifake
vibe. Why so fast? I don't like.
Imali ngoma kanathile.
Lena ukalokuthanda. Iya.
Oh, Shem.
Mthela 3 tata.
Ayazi.
Waze kanathi.
Oh.
La asiri na.
Chamngana ntoni lo?
Le ay slow kakhulu.
Oh.
But silwane.
Nemimoya.
Shem. Oh, mamqethezi. But
Samxelela lona. Bazazi ingoma.
Sorry.
Okay, wrong. Otherwise, I am November. There's no need. It has been good.
Hayi wena uso.
Zinjilo kuwe.
Zimbabwe kuneu.
But in the final sitting ndikasijambe to yona ne. There's a lot that you discussed about the Women for Change.
Oh yeah.
Organization.
Yes, before you go, Miss B. Ilento ka do you really think ukuthi nge21 bakushut down?
No.
Do you really?
Mhlambe kwezinye indawo yes, but apha no.
Intoni?
Shut down.
Hayi, le nto besithetha nathi.
Kwezinye indawo yes, but apha no.
Azi kuba
In fact, into endicingayo apha. Into Friday.
How dang wow.
Awugcwala kwezinye indawo.
Phela thina.
Awugcwala utshwaleni.
ngaki lapha.
Shut down it.
Ngaki lapha. Hayi kan indizika.
Kola katamkhulu.
Cala katamkhulu.
Indizika Satan.
So phela sihagane qha singamanini.
Yeah.
I love you. Sasibhangana sitshe ngeWomen's Day. I love you.
Pause.
Otherwise,
I love one thing about that life.
Haphuza nestranger.
Kukhuza nice amachera yathanda. It's the fact that amachera yathandana xa isele. Amachera
yazi inyene lesicabangisayo.
Singangazani mina nawe but sidibane kwatamkhulu phaya toilet ne. Baqoba ndibona ba no man uthayithu wakho uhlela ngaka. Ha mntasa uzophuma unjalo apha. Lungisi lipstick yakho. No, lungisi nwele like siyabrishana si soft with each other. Kukho love.
Nobungavani nayo
uyavana nayo.
Niqala ngcuka. MTV.
Be sober.
Yo, not MTV.
Uqebile tata.
Ngibele. I forgot.
Uqebile tata.
But I really feel like mentality mantomazana somehow ikhatyiwe man.
Ikhatyiwe.
I do not want to use
and
the
I
word.
understand amachera athanda uhlala nabafana honestly because abafana are the most peaceful beings you can meet in your life.
I feel Tina.
But bakhona bad bitches. Zamadoda. But it's
I feel like I'm on Tina we are cool. But there's as always
indoda kalo.
And kaloku enye into Tina we are cool ne? But there are some situations whereby singahlali kahle sonke. Do you get me?
Nina,
whereby
and Nina, one thing cala note, please note, this is not disrespect or anything.
Oh yeah,
with that utmost respect, like not the time.
Except Bafethu, don't forget to book your favorite MC, your promoter, your presenter, your performer at your event, and let's make your event a success at Jaguar Entertainment. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Dango.
Okay. So, see, in response to the last episode, we did say there's a shutdown that will happen on the 21st of November. On Friday, I think next week.
Yeah, Friday.
Yes. So now, social media has a buzz going on that has picked up ladies, like the female gender. Bayaphuma ngonezitori zabo. Yo ubani did this and did that. In response to that Women for Change women shutdown initiative. And here I just have I think one of the many ladies that have come out about this thing, yebo. So mna your thoughts on this story, yebo, and now you can comment what you think. But mna ngaphendleki umbuzo wami last episode, and I still haven't found the answers. Siza shut down the economy njani?
I don't know. Because
we still need, and we are not sometimes not as we're fortunate instances where we can say we'll buy everything before
Ngala 20.
Yes, kwenzela nge 21 we don't participate in supporting the economy. Yebo. Leno ndicho ba angaphendleki. So what if you really need something and you have to buy it, but you still want to stand in camaraderie of the initiative Women for Change? Can I get an answer to your question? I
miss B.
Yin manje.
Absolutely.
Hayi bo, angaphendleki. Anakaban comment. So bayangicaphisa.
Ngilele time ufuna impendulo ngicengisa la party ka Grace Modlana. Is it Modlana? Modlana.
Yeah.
Whereby she was asking Lamchita, who's this guy again? There's a new gentleman here. She asked him, ukuthi, what is my profession? Lamchita was confused. Oh, Lisette. So she was like, Lisette, it's very vending. So I told him, so what, Lisette, what is my profession? Oh, Lisette, lost your profession. What did Lisette? What is my creation? My profession. What people umbrella ileluke answer. What the mic? What the paper? Kushobani? Kushobani and it come eyes and dive.
But I feel like Umondlana does not have a very conventional profession. Apo unoti Grace Mondlana, you are a lawyer.
She's a teacher.
Oh, she has a teaching degree. She's not a teacher yet. Why? Mondlana, I think she graduated around 20 something. but zanga ade abe uyaphangela. She decided to quit kwa into the teaching phakathi wa focus on full-time content creation. And that's why she's here where she is. Yeah. So ilena ndichoyo ba I can't box her into one because she's also brand ambassador. Usebenza ne brands ezininzi. I can't say she's a TikToker because she does beyond TikTok. Like she does so much that namdinguliseti I would be like
you're confused ba.
And nona nokuthi content creator I feel as if ba ayibo watch just one title yebo engathi denza into eyi-one qha ilena ndichoyo ba she has so many professions kwinto ayenzayo in the entertainment industry ininzi into ayenzayo, so I don't feel like uLiseti was given the right question to yabo. That's my answer to that question.
No, you still no, yes.
Yini uMondlana? But abanye abantu bathi uyibully but allegedly i-haters zakhe sithi uyibully. I'm just reading one of the statements here that is made and isikutshonanga negama lale gama le post le poster, the creator of the author of this post and his screenshot gama lakhe, but naye ingathi is story asifumene through someone through their inbox. So iti when I will mention my name. Oti, hi, please make them trend. I have been quiet for a long time. I won't mention my name. I was dating this guy called, I can't say the name. I don't know his surname, and he is known by the name Lipara. I saw it. I'm sure Bani's got Lipara. Okay, he called. He wanted me to visit him. Kono 8. I don't know about Kengo Wapi. Yeah. Kono 8, like the area. Like
Kono 8.
Yeah. Fine, I agreed also because I wanted to meet him, and he bolted for. So okay, lo multilingual. So ningothuki xa nifunde enye language ubhale in so many languages.
Oh my god.
He bolted for na. I arrived at the place. He was chilling with his friends. I don't mind sahlala sonke, smoking happily and then chatting. Then nako yatsamaya. And some of his friends left because it was late sasala C3 and he bought food satya. So I'm assuming it's 2 guys, 1 girl, which is 1 girl, the guy Lipara and the other guy, Akitsebi. What's his name?
Yes.
Okay, hi man, ixesha la hamba oko sihleliswe 3 lapho. I'm asking myself why engahambi or why uguy engathi masihambe because andazi noba ngekabani le room. Okay. Hi, fine. Oh, sorry. Hi ke fine. Ndabe ndibhot ndabe ndixelela uguy ba ndiyozela mna and abe elala. Oh, abe like lala ndibuza ba ndizolala njani kukho omnye lo endlini. The guy was called Mageba. I ndakhwela kwibed ndalala. The guy Mageba went outside and I thought uyahamba. I took off my clothes wabe nolipara ekhwela on the bed and we did the thing. We did the deed. Okay, while we were busy, entered Mageba and I asked Ugai, I asked Ulipara, why is he entering room yako like this? I don't mind him. Find a bonba umdu say naked entering ezingubeni and then I whispered Kulipara wati mieke. So I started asking myself, why kunje? I told Ulipara nfuna impahla zam ndinxibe. Wati no babe, don't worry, don't worry, and I wanted to sleep on the other bed or other room, I assume. Ndasukuma ndakhangela impahla zam andazibona wathi uguy uMageba, don't waste your time, you won't find them. Ndakhwela ebhedini ndavusa uLipara and he acted like ukobude ubuthongo. Ndayohlala kwichair ndakhala and Lipara uthule akathethi. Wasukuma uMageba wathi I'm making noise, then he pulled me and pushed me in the bed. Wazenzela lenja uLipara uthule. Ndabe ndikhala ndimbetha naye ndibetha ndakhala still uLipara uthule.
Uhleli uLipara.
I think uhleli but izenzo ngatulele. Wathi when he was done uLipara wanted his turn and I refused, but naye he forced himself kum.
uLipara.
Kwa uLipara lo.
Ayi.
Ndahlala till ekseni Mageba esithi impahla zam uzilahle phezu kwendlu.
Hey.
Ekuseni wandinika wabe esithi ndikhala nje, nothing will happen. That's just one of the many women, strong, brave women that are coming out with their stories. Zininzi. When I'm saying that, this movement sparked a whole lot of interest. Baninzi aban bayaphuma. There was even a guy, Kabanai, he's also like a Facebook content creator. Facebook. He has many Facebook followers. I don't know, allegedly getting mahle something like in. But girl also seemed consensual, like for the aftermath because it takes suggests that girl was, this thing was consensual. But poster oti, she was coerced to sleep with Ukai. And I'm like, but I would not ibim nandi into besiyenzile today. Gandhi. Because Nyani and Ukai had like physical proof, but when are we meeting up again? UI abayana basmonele, why best daughter? Because maybe could sit in. So they went into a separate room and stuff. That stuff happened, and then I know man. So in a way, is new story. Sometimes they do like corner man imiqobo efuna ulungiswa phayana. But who am I to judge? Who am I? I get to be little, I can a little. Yeah, and that's just my 2 cents.
Yes.
And what do you think about this story and whatever story that will come out? Abel.
Okay. But omna gogwam. It is a very deep thing when it comes to those GBV rapes and so I feel like number one abantu lalo sino othuyandazi mna lichomi yakho ojeka kanoyenza into ethile. I feel when it comes to me ingazi yenzeka lonto bahlambi because awuyazi into yenzekayo. You do not know uba umuntu bekusiphi state sengqondo uba makanze into ethile. You can never say into uba ayifani nomuntu. That is the first thing yenzekayo. But lanto umuntu akafani nomuntu. And what I hate the most kuyo yonke into yenzekayo ngamantombazana avele asupporte amajita as a rapist. Amajita are abusive because we say yichomi yam. That's why I'm saying today, if mzekelo kuthiwa I am being accused of into ethile, let the law play indima yayo. Do not come as abantu that are supporting mna kwinto engekhoyo. I am fully behind lendo ye woman change. And I feel like it's time, even though it's going to be hard, trust me, there's high possibility ukuthi it will never change. Lendo, because bear in mind, as much as we go, as much as we are trying to fight the issue on top, meaning we are dealing with big men, there are boys that are growing up in that kind of a situation. Do you get me? So now they're adapting la situation, and so it is a very hard thing that is going to be a very difficult thing. It might carry on for years and years and years, because bear in mind, 2020 we had the same issue. We had the same issue. Today is 2025. It's been 5 years.
But still. And
before that, because I can't 2020. Do you get me? Now, it is a very a sensitive topic, because we do have OCC, we do have sisters, we do have friends, we do have colleagues, we do have parents, we do have people that we know. That go through as Ndozinjalo. Now, how do we go about supporting us as men when Sifman Sukuti Amandomazana are actually behind the rapist okanye the
perpetrator?
Yes, the perpetrator. Do you get me?
Yeah.
It is a very, very sensitive thing, and it is wrong for women to support. And it's always women saying, I'll always believe the victim. Yes. But when it happens to abayenzi, it's all just for social media. In real life, kukho umuntu azawuthi hayi ubani uyaxoka, hayi uyakhanga not ubani.
And I'm like, but you always stand for women's. Gandhi, what is women's solidarity?
Yeah.
What is women camaraderie? What is women empowerment? What are we just always striving for? Indoni, lento, but it's okay.
And also
Teta.
last week I wanted to be in the show because I knew basinezothetha ngayo but because of ezinye izinto andikwazanga. So I feel like uzothetha
no ingxaki into ikhona endiphambanisayo kancinci yebona enye itshomi yethu iviolate liphara lampo
Oh yes shit. Lamlenga.
Like lamlenga.
Ogqibela phara.
Liyaphinda liyakuye liyomcenga ba ufuna ndikunike intoni.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yena bese countereni yozithengela nto azithengelayo. Unprovoked liyambamba.
Namguqula. Ngathi better lo mcwa wakho.
Hayi kaloku sathi bayona enomncwa osnacks.
Umntana abantu like kangabe right.
Kangaphinde be right. Okubelila. And it's so out of her character to just cry because she's such that person, a social butterfly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And kasithande honestly. And
Baphela nathi ubusuku bethu.
Usile lo wenze lonto.
Qalapho yangelanda. Phara malibethwa.
Ingxaki ebeyedwa. I don't think bebe khona abantu to help her in that situation phaya countering because I think oyole bambonile ngexesha elaphara lihleli phaya necam kwakhe lithetha naye walila. She then cried after.
For me it's for me when Bianca sisibindi naso to come ndithi mhlawumbe ngidimoshe usino to come ndifende isino
ufuna
ntoni ndikwenzele ntoni as that means ukuthi that means yes. Yeah. And also I do not see anything wrong with it.
Awuna remorse.
No. Kuyofika abantu bolo-para.
Umntu angothuki guys xa izibone hambe phambana. Abanye abantu don't know actually seriously. Kukho igezi esidlango lihleka elise town. Wa rape la mfana. Uhambe ibamba ngoku.
Indetho.
Yo.
No one shake.
Uhambe ibamba.
Manje efosisa man.
Ingapha komlenze wakhe. Serious. Jonga uayolile ingasu ayolila mbone ngomso xa isiye town. Uyakuthanda uhlala wayekade ethanda uhlala bangakwakokoi. Onotaxi badikwa nguwe bamgxotha. Uthanda bangapse library ngakomasipala apho yabona bana apho basibhukisha khona iholo ngako Terry ngakweza areas khona la pakana between i-library nomasipala ikhona landa uthanda ulala pha ifa umbona ngakwa Shoprite inkulu inde wa rape kaloku wathi cabala tata wayibona ba I think he was arrested one night and then that was it. Zange hambele phambili watla tata no it's fine. Not go wami umntana. O rape wokugqibela.
Yo
and I feel like the solution le.
Yo indelo mhlobo.
Hey to the point that ibruko yakhe anama ngibani nalo muntu ebemane emthungela ibruko okanye uyazithungela yena because ngoku ndiyambona akasaphambana olahlobo ayiphambana ngalo.
Right.
Ayo ngoku sense. Cha ukuba nemini ke anganazi nona anileqe inkulu.
Yo
ngezinye imini uze ngezinye imini uyifake kubrukhweni uyifakele ibrukhwe ufike eqoshele ke
yo eqosheleki
damn and it's real. It's real.
Lana ndisengasambone ngomso ebengathi ingabe ngathi ndithethe into engeyiyo
hayi bena serious
is serious
yo
waqodwa
and it's solution le
solution because awusoze kaloku rape and then one day ulale wena stokisini and then ke case yakho akho khaqoqe
nabi khona into bezithembe ngayo kanti urape umuntu owes
ichweba tata
yeah khona into bezithembe
iyasebenza apha ko chombethu abangamapolice but it's fine
asikhola
they will always choose imali over ubomi bomuntu until it happens to one umntana wabo and then all hell must break loose forgetting that zininzi imali zabantu azithathileyo kurate abantwana babantu
hey dog
until yenzeke kuye umuntu uzayiva sure up afune ke justice must be served, but he or she did not serve justice ingabantwana babantu bekhaya.
Yeah.
But it's okay, it's a story for another day.
Makayihuqa.
But ke
uzayihuqa ngomso ngu-31
Isuxoka.
yashushu ngomso ophambana ngomso ngezimini kushushu ngaso yo baligeza
Akasoze ngabiligeza.
baligeza
Ireka leke kusisa. Mthemsihleka.
it's deep.
and I'm not sure anyone ngoku
So mina lana kade ndibone ku film zama Nigeria bengayazi ba ireal.
hayi yenzeka bra, and umuntu mhlambe at this point abantu badla ngokuthi ingasenifumani item yakhe empahla yesipilini dog fumana esipilini fumana uthi danke anglo. Yeah,
Sir.
It's fine. Asazibambi.
thetha dog yo
Kaphumi.
khawugoduke
Tithani.
hayi goduke
Sendabile ngozendibele ngeke benza ithetha.
kaloku lento beseyithetha uba it's all about justice ngoku. Engase mna I wish that the law enforcement like would really support rape victims.
Yeah.
If kuthiwe urapile nyani ngaseni enforce la mthetho ba believe the victim until proven otherwise.
Yeah.
Because there are people nyani who I once read a story about a guy who was falsely accused of a rape. Nalo ntombazana why ucime lo tyala. But umntana abantu I think he stayed for years and years etrongweni. Sebumoshakela ubomi bakhe. Sene criminal record. I don't think izawucinywa nalula kodwa uvele wathi no ndandixoka ndandifuna imali ntontontontontonto.
And then wena ke ngoku lo phose ngomnye
Makabalelwe man. I feel like
minyaka.
umthetho walapha ubhetyebhetye. It's for
minyaka.
abantu bane beyithetha khona abantu beyithetha lento ba umthetho walapha SA kumanda apha kuyadanaswa apha. Kukho countries that xa urapile akuyiwa nase court tata.
Xhonywa.
Yaxhonywa.
Same time.
Yaxhonywa straight.
Same time.
Masibuye guys isigwebo sentambo honestly. Dala siyilwela lonto.
Kadabhatwa.
Thetha nini? So ilibele. Ubaza nje kucheck. Check uphazamisa umntana.
Akunestress mina checking. Akho ndingayicingiyo. Ndinemani yeka ndiyekeli bethu.
umdala mansisi umdala.
Ebeke wakhalaza nge-age kwenye
40 years bethu nayo
and having a 69 and 79 year 59 year old daughter akululanga. 69 and 59 kudala ukugutha sisi. Kudala ulapha.
abantwana andifuka.
Ngase bayibone.
Abandazi.
Bayibone. But on a lighter thingy. On a lighter thingy.
Positive note.
Yeah.
No, siseko dreadful. Umzimba obefunyenwe ezifemini. Ifamily ifumene.
Oh. Ithe kanti ngubani?
Ifamily yakwa Oliphant. Imfumene umntana wapower kwa Oliphant. Apparently they have been looking for him.
Oh.
I don't know but ke khange batsho bangubani igama lakhe but bebebulela ku Dimbaza News and thank you to abantu abancedisileyo to that case ba umzimba identify bangwakwabani. Yeah, I just wanted that piece of
Thanks.
yeah it's real. Let's go.
Okay, but on a
Positive note.
On a positive note, the time and sahleli nabenzitola ku TikTok kwam.
Yeah.
I feel like we should change. Funga sijonge into esenzene because sizophambana.
Hayi wenze intoni ngoku?
Sizophambana. I-marketing strategies zethu masizijongeni. I can't be emini yonke. Okwenza ukuthi inegaqa.
Oh hayi man.
Jonga.
Ilegaqa. Jonga.
Ilegaqa.
I love la because
Why
yabona la
last?
futhi lo ngamaziyo ngokuba uthenge inyama kuye ebesithi ishushu iligaqa inegaqa
Hayi ndifuna kandive no even lonto.
yeah ubungayisoze uyive tatam waving
Kwenye level. But yeah mana
manje kodwa Jomilando into nerongo phaya
hayi mana
taxi isimos
Iligaqa mos nyanga.
iligaqa nje na
ilegaqa ulegaqa not the whole day.
usakhalaza ngomntu okhalaza ngamagaqa
Akakhalazi ko sayigobha sayigalela.
eke ukhoma mabazingxolayo phaya
Sayigobha
igalela 15 rand kaloku masana siyayigopa siyayigalela
Sayigobha bayigalele.
ukhona omnye uthengisa isipsep uzawuthi iyabanda yenza inhloni
Itho.
yenza inhloni kodwa
Bacinga njani?
kodwa yenza inhloni uthi ewe kaloku uthi xa uyifunqa ngqona ngokuba nenhloni ngqona hayibo lo mama
Strategy.
yenza inhloni thenga kaloku isipsep
sawuzingayithengi
ibanda kamandi yenza inhloni ndaqonda yini lo mama and ayithenga mos
khona nomnye mama man andazi bayithengisa kamandi man andazi siyayinyitha sayithini andazi man Tommy dayikhuphe andiyithi ncami masinto ebandayo mina yo ndathenga nje
nami ndayithenga kuba yayisenza
ngoba
inhloni
ndapha umama osecam kwami uthi hayibo uyithengela nto ndingqa kundithengisela kamandi awulungile
cha
uthi awulungile
so xa esithi iligaqa inegaqa
so chom
akho ndi wrong ngoba
Jonga.
inegaqa iligaqa
Akangiboni.
thenga cho
ikhona mos nento bengathi bayenze ingoma ngoku
eke
Ebazi opportunities ngabathini.
oh
Haza ngabathini.
so ke sukhalaza tata jonga mna I had this week
Yeah.
ikhona nje into endikhe nayititshe
Mm.
it was posted by the Metro FM. Shout out to Metro FM. Into ethi bacaba bane segment ethi ask a man ne so
Yeah.
there are men here ithi lento ask a man. Anonymous says she's in her mid-30s and has 2 children. She met a man earlier this year. They have a 20-year age gap.
20. 20.
uthini
They have a 20-year age gap.
sure
And things were going well. She had her suspicions. So if you're not 20, look, you're not 40.
Yes.
Yo. She had her suspicions about the man being married. So she asked him if he was, and he admitted that he is married, but his wife has cancer. They haven't been intimate, and he is looking for someone to be intimate with. So it's just shags. Okay. They continued with their relationship, and at some point she fell pregnant but miscarried.
oh, okay
She then found out that he was actually also having an affair with his neighbor. So he still
That's
broke
big.
things off. Then they got back together. Their relationship has since been toxic and has affected her. We are asking a man, what are your thoughts on this?
I feel like the girl should choose herself. Should love herself more. That is my only comment. My situation in Jayana, there's no coming back. I can't danger. I was an because it's like same thing. So when you're telling me uzohlala because of maybe you are saying you are liking love. No man, just love yourself. Sithande nomazana.
You?
Ayikho.
Tomazana. Asam now.
lo mfana
Uzasibethisa wena.
Mistake.
Uzasibethisa wena.
hayi bese
Mistake.
But it's fine.
Any question?
Enye. Anayo enye question, sorry.
Oh.
Umasipala uthi PSA from Mr. Producer at the back uthi kuDimbaza News umasipala ulumkisa ngophazamiseko oluzayo lombane zayifunda kodwa the electricity supply will be interrupted to consumers supplied by the Buffalo City Metropolitan Municipality in Dimbaza at 7:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. On Tuesday 25 November weather permitting ebetunan. The alternate date for this outage will be, so if I'm Ganga nge 25 uzomka nge 27 November 2025. The purpose of the interruption is for Eskom to decommission their transformer 1. The whole of Dimbaza will be affected by this outage, including Polar Park, Kailicha and Biri. Trust, no one is safe. Sonke simkela ngubani.
There's a balance.
It is ZB. Ngasinto hlala ezabalaz. As the I mentioned ngemadaka nza emadaki.
oh uyondithathela ifana
Emadakena umakazi pha igugule ethi abafakelwa ngambane but she has solar. So baqhuba cruising nicely bona.
bayaweva ngablajack
Sana. As the power may be restored at any time between these hours, consumers are warned to treat all apparatus as being live throughout the whole period. It is strongly recommended that all non-essential appliances such as your dryers, your microwave. Microwave, yeah, guys. Ndibone kule yasekhaya sina microwave. Microwave ngenye into engayazi.
tuchile
Yeah, guys, nyani Cimani kwasando, and if I recommend that you get those power protective surge adapters as always bomvu nansi nongoku I think ngayibona nansi ngo even if mhlambe ubushila uphangele endlini walibala ucima umbane, that thing will protect all your gadgets and stuff, because ngoku nathi apha endlini sine TV during that load shedding thingy that was going on. Umbane umane ubuye ubane umka umane ubuye iTV yavele ilayita xa kuthande yona nansi yakamanga ilayita xa kuthande yona ayifuni ulight yacha, don't think of a specific part yacha. So guys, ndiyanicela, please, all non-essential appliances must be switched off and disconnected from the supply during this period in order to prevent damages thereto when supply is restored. Thank you. This was a PSA proudly served by Miss Bianca.
Yes.
Dango.
Yes, thank you.
Guys, ngifuna uyofunda indaba. Cala ndinipeni slot Metro FM Shabo wenene. No, I just want to be on radio.
Yeah.
I love radio.
Yeah.
I love radio, like to the point that even in the car I'm that person ba. Cala radio. I know kwazi ufunda indaba. Ukumvela sisufunda indaba kumhlobo wenene uzifunda kamanje njani isixhosa sakhe si clean. No ondela loku cutting edge mose bekwafunda indaba. So like those people can actually like news read.
Imagine lo ifuna ufunda indaba.
Shout out umntana waseDimbaza. Kusisipho?
Ngusisipho.
Kubani igama lakhe? Khangela igama lakhe. We are shouting out apha.
We are shining out.
Damn, kubani omnye best some shout out akane.
Esihle. Shout out to you.
Esihle Ntombikalisego.
Wenze nto?
Hayi.
Just for being her.
Nguye.
Ngwaphi lo mntu?
Ngwalapha eDimbaza. Awumazi njani?
Esihle.
Oh, she's a fashionista, that one.
Oh, esihle lo walapho lo okay. Ufinga.
Kufinga?
I forgot her name.
Kufinga is but uyazazi benchilo ndathi I like your style. I like you're so suave. I love you. You're so sublime. There aren't any words that I can describe you by. You just you. You're just you. Shout out to you. I know again Basela. She did finger waves most this year. That style.
Yeah.
And she looked gorgeous because busy blonde, platinum blonde.
I her stylist.
I know them.
Oh God.
I know her mom. Shout out to Bani. Sifunu shout out to umntana waseDimbaza. She has the ability to read indaba. Ibe ngathi
Usisipho Miso.
Nanko usisipho. Shout out to you, my girl. Don't stop like uyenzayo.
Khona no
lento. Inhle lento uyenzayo sithando sami. Inhle. I saw that they applauded you on Facebook. Inhle into oyenzayo. I don't
know.
Oh no. I saw something.
Hey, ayini. Amehlo enu afast.
I want.
No.
I must come.
But yeah. Shout out Mam Ngongo. We love you.
Mam Ngongo?
Yes.
Sama Ngongo up next door.
P.
Up next door. Up Esporres.
Esporres. Akusakomntu.
Oh, is it
Sama Ngongo? No gonna andiyazi. Ndingayazi if aniyapha for a very long time ndicinga kukwamngqongo kuba kaloku kuthiwa kukwamngqongo.
Oh, so what, you thought umngqongo yifine?
Ndizoyiva ba kukwabhondiya. Phaya kusemangqongweni.
Oh, kokuhlela abanye abantwana apha abantu bayokuhlela abantu before.
Othandisizwe, othandinkosi, bahlala ePola Park kodwa
obemka.
Yeah, uyayibona le ndlu njani. Intoni lingako ikhangelayo?
Igama lomntana hayi nguye lo.
Hayi ngomnye.
Usisipho Miso.
But khona omnye.
Kubani omnye? Guys, nibaninzi ninetalent eDimbaza and inhle lonto. Naye besandoposta kutataka. Dimbaza news.
Oh yeah.
Kwathiwa Dimbaza has talent.
Honestly needs a talent.
And shout out to Put Pablo for that gig. As a Walter Sisson.
Odogu.
Thank you. Okay, it's fine.
Ndiyayiqonda ikhonto silibeleyo.
Sandilibale. Uthunqoba ukuthi
isanayo. Lezo sendilibele.
No, like the only thing that I said ukuthi I feel like abantu act
emncwabeni.
Njani?
In life in general. Number the minute you do something for your content, you act. Ndifuna ngomntu actayo. Namantombazana. Yona namantombazana. Now the models.
Jack is bashing amantombazana. You would think Jackie, you would think that akajoli.
Shout out to you girl omhethileyo menzi baba cabukela amantombazana.
Uyayazi kaloku. Uyazazi. Kulanda wakho uyazazi. Thetha cho mama. Ndifuna uva le party yomncwabo. ndifuna uze kule part
ufuna la uyiva.
No, the thing is andazi I can't say this ngekho but it's a matter of I so wish babe senza if it was possible bama ndibekhona emngcwabeni wami
uyibone into
uba khona.
no kaloku ndifuna phina ndibuye mbela
like I wish I would be a fly on the wall
like ube unje ngilo hlobo.
ngiyam ndizokwazi xa angumande xeshana nonke.
What do you mean ufuna ukuthini?
I feel like
ungcwabo kwani
no like ndifuna is fine ndingachaba uchabuko ndihlale pha ndingcwatywe gqitye but Monday mamphinde bengumuntu ophilayo.
It's like lana beyithetha about he wants a wedding not a marriage.
Yeah.
Mna I want to experience yayiva le yakhe ne ba aphinda abuye manje. Nano mind ungabuyi. Ingase ndinibone ba nizawuthini ngayo. Andimfuni umuntu ozawuxoka mna emngcwabeni athi wephinda belukile. Kodwa bengalunganga uqonda hayi stand uxoka. There was a colleague.
Athi
I wonder.
into endiyaziyo mna umngcwabo womuntu uhamba ngohlobo umuntu angalo. Chaotic izoba chaotic. Uba uyalwa iveki yonke la veki ungcwatshwa ngayo kuzawuliwa. Nangala mina ibhokisi yakhe izawudiwe ngecala.
Ikhona icolleague yam ethi bekumngcwabo kokwaye
Kwathwani?
I wonder.
Wathi omnye besisithethi ba umbone nasecaweni umakhulu uthi kodwa zange wakhonza
ecaweni naqoka.
Utheni nixoka uthi nambuza ba umakhulu wakhe wakhonza phi wakhonza phi umakhulu because yayazi umakhulu wayengumuntu wakwantu
hayi ke
wayexhosa inkolo yakho inkolo yakhe yayinguntu
qamatu
exactly
qamatu
Qamatu.
nithini ngalona ubhuzumi katamkhulu wami wamphika esidlangalaleni
hayi
sisithethi ke ngokusobuhlobo wathi hayi mina uMax andimazi mina ihla hayibo sathi ihla
Ake
awumazi ubhuzumi wakhe ngabula besta bomba 99 babeka so bethwala ibarret i-shirt ezithe yibe nxa lana brokwe inezembe yamazulu amabhinqa into lebrook ufuna igama layo
iBrandwood
babenxibo lahlobo ndixelela mna nikwa i-opportunity bamba
99 thetha ngobhuzumi wakhe
ngobhuzumi wakhe hayi molweni mina ndingubani hayi yo
thetha kuba
molweni mina ndingubani yazilungisa lana ndimjongile ndiyeke nolila ke
so ulindele i-story
brand because ndiyayazi ngikhule phambi kwabo ndizibona into zabo hayi mina uMax andimazi saphamba ntshatha ihla
and ke after what I had
uqoba wathi sikhwada
Get after le nto bendiyivile apha mina ye-potential ningayenza
prior to i-shoot
athi misine drama thina simhlisa nyana uyakhalaza ke usithi akaloku uthi awumazi nje
yeah
uthi awumazi nje ubhuzumi wakho ukhula naye lo muntu uhamba apha
you hi guys like
ndine picture ndokhanyela uBianca molweni ndingumesi mna ndiqutyulwe andimazi mina lo muntu
yo ngayishukumisa
ibhokisi
ngathi one
ibhokisi yam khathana bandithile iba i-N yami ngavelithi chitheke bonke bothulu
ndingayiqonda nje ndingathi hayi ndingathi okay imani chazi nyani
bendlala
efana nabanye abathi usweetie akahambi groove akathini khaza phakama igrooves sasayigwithe zawumapha phambili
yes
bambi savana phezulu thina simazi enje
bangaze
usajongeleyo yaba besavana ngena amagqirha kuthiwa simazi nalapha family yakhe ikhamisile ayimazi kaloku esenze ezo zinto imazi ethe endlini
yabona uSigonyana that's the thing about hiding yourself like leno nje ngothi umakhulu wami honestly shame shout out to you yini sislinda
Deni
athi yini mntana museli ngathi awunangomso dithi you think that you and selling ngathi andangomso because I don't drink in the week. No. I have a chance to drink in the weekend. And I don't take it. No, but yena she thinks ba hey no bamnana bangani bam sibeka i24 pack apha siyibhubhudle ngoko. I just drink 3 cans. Guys, and that's enough. Come on, we still get pack. Like guys, I don't drink all on
Same.
Before
I don't
what?
drink much.
Before what?
For life.
hayi man Jack futhi
but
yeah
uthi ufika khona Tommy wena
yes
ubona ba
but
pretender
ke ngokumna why ubuya Monday my chat is why ubuya Monday
uthi ufuna udishana umuntu abapretender ngalokho njani ba uyapretender Jack
abantu bapretendayo kahle
mina ngiyaqokhela mina manje ngothuka
ndakusokolisa
wedwa
ngifuna ukusokolisa ngifuna balapha ngikubone sithethe ngobuso benyama
uthi wena wandikhanyela wena
otherwise man people I just want to talk about the upcoming events good December
hey
okay events
yes
asikazokuphumla
ibe nani andibona kahle lixhonyiwe bendibona phi
jonga ngoku my tip is sorry guys zi events good December ne yo I suggest that umntu abene cucumber abene lemon abene ice December mkhulu andifuna ubona umuntu une eye bags andifuna ubona umuntu nokusobugxidikayo
wema
sasa uyayazi ba wena nabangani bakho ni there by the ama light khawuleza uthi ice block buso buzothi bubuye ba uyifuni leyo you have lettuce you have spinach you have beetroot nakhona not ubuqu be beetroot the veg amagqabi uneswekile betha uhluze usele ha I tell you your face will not even say that you are selling then baningagxidiki ebengabe ngathi andinithandi ndiyanithanda andifuna ndiyipiece mhlambe kwatamkhulu ndibone ndiyipiece ndidayile ndiyilonto ndimhle undibuza hayi kuthena umhle kwathi ngathi khasele sonke ndibe ngithi hayi khansele nawe mna ndisela mna ndiyaza i-green juice i-ice block i-cucumber ilamuni
sisezawusela ngenxa kaBhiyani
iyasebenza ubuso bungawi no more phuza face clo December ndifuna abantu babezibhedi please
asivuma otherwise we have upcoming events
yes
29 is a very busy
weekend
so manqala pha web apha bendikhona mina ePapa's Lounge
so ithini theme
i-theme kaloku carnival of beauty wena Bianca
carnival of beauty like what are we dressing
semi formal and then we're wearing masks
okay no yes. I do have a dress okay. But I wanted
to make sure
appropriate now
okay so carnival of beauty theme mysteriously beautiful
you see so you must go ifumana pha okanye yazithengela because kaloku
usually uzawufumana phambili
usually because
uyithenga pha uthenga itikiti pha
xa uthenga itikiti ufumana imask that's good le nto ndiyibuza ibe imask uyifumana pha okanye funeka nandiye kwaFantasy ndiyothenga
imask ye-5 rand Paul
hayi not ye-5 rand ufuna le nedrama le inetsiba
usaqala uyinxila
iqhawuke
laa nto ingathi ngeyabantwana mane iqhawuka laa nto so okay we have guest DJs DJ Chad, Higgs, LV the Messiah, VGN, I think it's Chinzo,
yo, I.
Zox, Frank,
DJ Frank,
DJ Frank, Lobelap.
Comments back to comments go episode back to say Kosha you Frank. I will shine alarmed. Okay, but it's fine.
T Junction of is it Verbs SA and then supported by Yoni Luja I do not know. And then MC is Jake. And then let's move. You buy your ticket and get a mask. All right. Our very own Black Ivory. Our very own Black Ivory teacher Lapekasi. He's doing an event on the 29th of November next week, Saturday. Tickets are now 80 rand. Yes, 80 rand. You can get them from him if you're at Timbaza. And then if you're in King Williamstown, you can get them from DJ Chad. It will be held at Men's King Williamstown. We have Yamza and DJ Philly from
Yamza is in Kekengvume. That Yams?
I'm not sure, but we Yamza.
DJ Yamza. Look, Yamza.
Is this?
Yo.
If I get specs.
So we have DJ Yamza and DJ Philly from Steak Spread. We have Vapes from Queenstown, Mr. Love Box from Tanzania, Vendal and Men's Mains.
I need
From
29.
up at Timbaza, lastly, the Play Me House guys will be there. So it's about to be a party. It's about to be a party. So make sure you get your ticket and go.
Guys, it's
And
either
actually-
usemenzo okanye usepapi.
You have to decide.
Choose my kettle.
You have to decide. You have to decide.
For mahlalisana.
Yeah. It's about to be it's about to be a big show. But otherwise I want us to play
show.
want us to play a game.
Big
I'm not quite sure if it's a game or what, ne? But it's about the year. We are just recapping. Yeah, well, so one thing that was bad about the year and the good thing that was bad by the year. About the year. Yes, about the year.
Makaqala kum
Guys, soze kaloku.
Nam
Inoba
So
ilesona
the
Sacika mna.
lekona. Noba ilekona linesono
Okay,
soze.
man, didn't I call like
yabona yeah. Yayibona
Lekona because uJack uvela jonge mina ndiqonde.
Thank you.
when you are close to me, so.
Okay.
No.
Hlele esitulweni esiyi-1.
Okay, man, it's
Tenda zamuni kopa nami.
Shame. They call. So, into that was good about the year. I was able to achieve Nancy. I was able to start off the MC podcast, the ACE, and even the t-shirts. So that yes. Nancy into about the year. And then into MB, man, it's
Ungalili. Ungakha.
I'm not car.
Lo nyaka.
And
Wena na.
yeah.
Kuwe lo. Uyeke lo. Kanandini.
Ayisem.
Awuthe qomhle. Masisi.
Usemhle nangoku.
Masisi. In conclusion, muhle uthi.
Usanda ukucula ithi ingoma iqonda ithathe. Nami ufuna uhamba.
Qobotho nya. Benani.
Ufuna uyaphi?
Bendlala.
Oh.
Kasi nibe ngokugqibela yazi.
Ayikho deep noko kakapa.
No.
Ayikho deep.
Hayi
Into
mfondini
embi ngakum lo
into
nyaka.
eyenzekileyo kuwe enhle.
Ebeninzi kum. Engayaziyo.
How you don't recognize.
Tell me.
Sina ngothethe.
No, can't balse kubeka ngxaki. Can't balse.
Uye wa serious, uye wa comfortable kwenza inhloko zabantu. Siqale
Oh
apho.
fuck, I forgot.
Siqale apho, you were never comfortable with doing people's heads.
Yeah.
Just yours only, but you're starting to go out your comfort zone yokwenza inhloko zabantu.
Okay. 2.
You are
Uthethwa ngami
you are a
apha.
podcast host.
Fuck, yeah.
You a model.
Yeah.
It's like we are two guys.
The hell? Like, okay.
You were brave enough to do something. Ubukdali yoyika, but I will not say it here.
Please say it.
Please
say it.
It's not that Chomi. Kumbla siklo ayole. And that video.
Oh, fuck, yes.
Ileno Ichoy.
Yeah. Oh,
You were brave
yeah.
enough to do that.
Oh, man.
Hey. Letobazan, you graduated. Waktola Mereko.
Dathola mereko. Eyona nto ebisentloko kakhulu.
Zininzi into ezenzekileyo
And nangu MC.
Wangu MC kwi-tea party boy.
And you, wow. Man, there's so much. Honestly, there's so much.
There's so much.
There's so
good
much.
eyenzekileyo
And nam ndiyalibala.
Xa ke ngoku mna ndijonge from outside.
Tommy, hayi undigqibile. Jack, unomona. Because awuva yonke le nto ithethwe ngam nguBianca.
Umamela.
And ke Sam, ndifuna ukongeza ngokwazi ucheba amajita ngoku. Tommy, awundithembanga? But ukuselayo ndizawufundela kulena yakho inhloko.
Ngaphandle ungazi uzonhlamba inhloko.
Andizoyihlamba ndiyayicheba.
Hayi not komka lokho. Desika nabo elwadlala.
Yabona ndisupport nasitshomi zami.
Igcwele ilali. Nabo njena badlala phansi. Kawuzame pha konke sibona.
Kuba ibe ngabantwana bami practice dance.
Ingxa kujeki ndifuna kubonwe kuye ba.
You have a reputation to keep.
And ela kazobonwa because uhlele
Into ezimbi man, honest. Into ezimbi. Inintsi into endile nayo this year and ndile nayo ndithe. Andingomntu like ufana niyayazi delitsho qho bani ngomntu ufana athi baha kakhulu but yeah inye into endicingayo embi eyenzekileyo kum. Hayi wena man. Inye into endicingayo. Umntana wam ona 69 ebebethwe sistroke.
Oh yeah.
And esheke nam. Nomnye umntana mona 59 uphethwe ziswekile zintoni. So abantwana bam bobabini bethuna bebegula
and daughters.
Okoko like nje ndibajongile yebo and ke yanjena because ndimndokodwa khoyo yabona abanye bathe sa.
And you're the youngest.
And I'm
also.
the youngest but ndimdala again. Yebo. Egqibele ngabantwana bam so yeah. But ke uThixo man onphila amandla mas.
Yes.
And you still up.
And
you're still fighting. And you're finishing the year.
Dog.
You are here.
I didn't think she'll make it clash. Basla.
Like it's serious and ithatha kwasingapha andazi ithatha serious like xa ungaziboni nyani ugqiba lo nyaka.
Yeah, serious.
Choma bu serious.
But it's not account to be bad.
Can't be bad.
But ungazogqiba lo nyaka.
Yeah, can't be bad.
Awungasenzeli lo nto thina.
Hayi fan.
But yeah man, life 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 goes on.
Yes.
Life goes on.
Life goes on.
Bianca.
Hello.
Tell not to sit now. Makade khala ngobisi.
Amakhanda okanye amakati.
Makati.
Ngathi amakhanda. Konqona ibu.
Makanda kaba.
Utini yena. Oh no man. I'll start with the bad. I didn't dizamile sham kulo nyaka. Y'all tried me, whatever spirit, monitoring spirits or whatever. I sana ndizamile kulo nyaka. First of all, the bad thing, inkulu ke sana. And I always talk about it. It's the death of my soulmate.
Oh man.
That shook me. Cause like, what the fuck, Fondini, you're not the type to die. No, isoulmate yamu akho, not wena papa. Isoulmate yamu akho. So like that was the biggest thing. I would say that at the beginning of the year. Also the fact that I had to drop out after that. Now I'm also dealing with my own sicknesses, as you can see. And yeah, man. As they can see, at this point, I can't
need to be made to quote us from the English.
In Metzlitikon, if you know. Yeah. And it isn't Metzlit Pasor. Sorry. But I look for English. Sifundi according to sifundi maths kodwa sifundi English. So lena ndijoy maths litikon.
Iyafana ne maths.
Sorry. But ke nabo ke.
Oh kodwa bacula kamanje.
Bayacula ke shem. So yeah, that was the biggest thing that shook me. Death of my soulmate. Siskolo esindalayo, and I always said iskolo siyandala. Siyandala iskolo ndiyayeka.
So
but that also is I felt like it's also like a tribulation that I had to go through. A very big trial and tribulation. It's very big. And yeah, I had to recently had a falling out with a family member, but it's a story for another day. And yeah, man, but I'm still here. I'm still kicking.
Yeah.
And I'm still gonna kick. And yes, man, I think it's just having it show me as a grand. Isekili am ndini cut off shame and sorrow and fungachu. Because spoon. I ban okay ndim lukhathwe off and kosho.
Khona umkhatho.
And usays about khona umkhatho enditshilo ku Jack ndisithi xa sishuta that episode of the New Year's resolution.
Oh yeah.
Sizawukhathwa off usiphambane because this data siziyeza. New year, new me.
New year, new
Yes, us.
Yeah.
Nizawuthwa.
New year, new me. New friends.
Zawuthwa. And the husband declare list is awuthwa.
Oh man.
Because in a way, I haven't been a good friend to other people, but I have also been a good friend to so many people in this year in my life, and I have a very good friendship system. Shout out to Usino, shout out to Uchek, shout out to Tandile, shout out to Ukaba, shout out to Zimvo and my baby right there at the back.
Aww.
Shout out to all my friends, man. Heshi, Makabi. Yeah, I never thought that guy chumga Makabanga, but shout out to Makabanga.
Wow.
Shout out to you, Chomi. Like, shout out to everyone who made this year possible and it was not a testing on period. Understand about hey, Jonga, I'm not in my best mood, but you're still gonna be my friend the next day. Ungandi jaji and ngakumbi. Shout out to you. Shout out to Asi. Shout out to Hlela. Yinu cameraman wethu additional. Shout out to Hlela.
Shout out to Amando Mazana.
Shout out to Amando Mazana, also beke and support with Klonyaka in terms of hair business, photography. Shout out to his Golo that trusted me with their photography services. That was a big thing for me this year.
Oh man.
And yeah, there's a lot of good things. Shout out to umakhulu wam to supporting supporting iti party
Yeah.
and isazaba khona ezinye. But yeah, those are the good things that I had this year. It was friendship and
Hayi
the
ngishaka uthi namfoba
events.
impela siyakho kokho kam here.
Oh kobela usana lwami kulonyaka.
Noba yintoni.
Hayi ndivelelwe noba yintoni.
Noba yintoni.
Jona ngodithi akakwazi ungabikho usinovuyo apha funeka siyomela ngomso makabe lapha ngoku and ndizamrhuqa ngoba ngikhatha noma umakhulu ndithukile. And yeah, ilona nditshoyo. Shout out to you guys man for being the best friends this year.
Yes, man.
And I love you so much. Noba senza ubhuba. I love you.
Yabuza uthini?
Noba senza ubhuba.
Hayi kuphambene ke. Awuyayichamela ke.
Azoba sisithethe cho.
Noba
And he
ndi-MC
always said i-obituary yam zaba ngithukwa.
Hey wena yo ininzi nyani sawutya ngo-8 ebusuku sana. Mina ndizawuthi bekunandi ucala umzuzu ngicela uplate imali omzuzu.
Awusheka bakapya.
Nikhame niqhuba
He
ke.
always says that i-obituary yam will be thukwa. There's so much I did.
Qhutywa nguwe.
Shout out to the
Asutha
beauty
sana.
pageant Ntoni man. Yes, isebenzile man guys.
Kusetyenziwe.
Kusetyenziwe kulonyaka. Shout out to events like izininzi into esizenzileyo and I'm not gratefully bendingazenzi ndodwa. I won't say bendizenza ndodwa.
Yeah.
Bendizenza neetshomi zam. Because if I eat, my pack eats.
Yeah.
I've always been that type of person and I'll always be that type of person. Andizotya usinovuyo ngatyi. Andizotya ujeke ngatyi. Andizotya uayole ngatyi. We all must eat in this table because we're all family. And shout out to these people. Shout out to them trusting for podcast. I never thought the guy host. But
Yazi.
because I started as a background person.
person.
Started as a background person, but I say it's okay. It's okay.
Bese singakupushanga.
Yeah, no.
Buzawuvela nini ke kamera?
Yeah, sasingena choice sang episode 2. Kulapho ndaba vele naqona. Dala what you must.
See.
You know?
Sana ngene bengena na good date.
We're posting TikTok. We're posting on TikTok.
People listen.
Bathi ukupostile kutsho.
Hayi no mina seloko ndiyasheka kulo gadget. Ujeki shomi. Machomi lo imanzi lo. Akasiyila chomo eyiyoqala yami.
Ewe nisathatha ne-walks ninqabelene.
Chomi akasafuna into esondele kumo.
Ninqabelene chomi.
Lo andisazi.
Nam nditsho nam ndithi yandakhweleta uhoya uhlomla more than mna ngoku.
Chomi hoya uhlomla.
Hayi sishiwe ngihlomla straight. Shout out to uhlomla by the way.
Chomi yami sana.
Usishila uhlomla ngamanqaku sana. Hayi uhot.
Ujeki.
Ndiyamncoma.
Ujeki qoqeni basezintweni konke hayibo.
Hawu madibashe
Chomi
uhot
akasathi
sana.
unothi bana hey. Ubani?
Huh?
Kuba thina
Uthengele ijezi 500.
Chomi.
Wo. Intoni manzamani lana uJekava sangawo.
Yo.
Anayi ichomi yakhe into ye500.
Miyeke wena sizaba
But shout out to Utandile who has been sponsoring my life. Without you, bombambuyikaka. Noba intoni mntanam.
Nobuyintoni.
Wena
Jack.
ne-bank account
No,
yakho
Hashem.
nindithandile kulonyaka njengegama lakho because unguthandi.
Right.
I love you.
Yo.
But ke Jack date sizawuvala siyeza.
Kanibazele
Lona wathenga nepaint ufuna ubuza kumi recommendations zepaint xa ufuna ukwenza lanto yezandla nesithandwa sakhe. I thought that mina bazawuthenga izikipa ni nenze lanto ye-hug.
Oh, yeah.
But they bought a canvas, they put their hands, they signed it, the date. It was nice, challenges, all of that, kutya, fruit, chips and snacks and drinks. Okay?
Fungasenze lezikipha yami.
Emadoda.
And you still have paint. That's what I recommend mna uthi ina for your date.
Ya usine lo.
Uzuthi kubra kenenza into
Kenenza
nice.
into nice.
Ayo le ngicela senze into nice before the year ends.
Izinto ezinhle.
Akazenze lo.
Don't kanjani. Abaselekanga.
Otherwise man yeah. It's been
ufihla lento ngoku.
It's been nice.
Sakwalisela chomi. Sakubonisa ne video. Post like TikTok.
Kodwa ndikuqumbele ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Thanda.
Akazibalisa izinto.
Kazdate izinto. Thanda down. But ke Scott usatata.
This is Culture Goma podcast. As Apa, we are here to elevate,
entertain, raise awareness,
yes,
educate,
yes,
motivate,
yes,
encourage, inspire, aspire, wasabe.
And to be ourselves, man. At
the end of the day.
And also shout out to Zonge sponsors zetu. Zonge, thank you so much for believing in us.
Ayisibambala for leya game.
Ayisibambala tata.
Khona enye game
And nxa kuJack mina nisafuna siphinde leya ine green juice.
Someone bonile nje winile kuleya.
Khangabukele.
Kavikelo
Khangafikelele kwelonqanaba. Sesabe ne green juice. Sebona game last time sesayidlala sane green juice. Uzayisela. Sawuphila sidlala.
Uzayisela kokozo.
Na kube khona bonke. Sayisela green juice.
Yeah.
If Leah's right.
Hey.
But yes, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, to comment down. Ba uhlala lapho sibukele uphi wena.
Yeah.
Also,
Usibukele
do
uhleli nabani
not
also.
forget to share the link with your friends, ex yakho, crush yakho,
Notata
family yakho,
Bawakubalekayo.
Kwanekati le.
But this is Kajo Kombo podcast. Do not forget to pray,
Believe,
and live. Catch us on Wednesday at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not 3
Not
Not
1500.
Not
1500.
1500.
Thank you.
Bye, Z's.
Kapi am kaloko.
Hey, yes, son.